Have you ever been there and never wondered what happens to your property or estate when you die? What happens when you get permanently sick, incapacitated, or permanently ill? In today's video, I'm here to discuss with you the probable solutions on who you can give your property to, what happens to your estate when you die, and who can readily take over your property. So, in today's video here, talk to you about power of attorney. So, let's dig right in. In many situations, scenarios, and movies, you've always heard of what a power of attorney is. A power of attorney is basically a document which gives another person, in most cases this is your lawyer, your agent, or the person who you trust more, to be able to do with your estate in a way that you would have done it you yourself. There are many situations where a power of attorney is used. Like I've just given you scenarios. You can fall mentally ill, you can die abruptly, and you did not leave any person who can be able to govern your property. This is almost in relation to a will, but a power of attorney is this person who you trust most. How can they sign off something for you in terms of your estate, your bank account, someone who you trust duly? So a power of attorney is a document which can be able to do all of that. There are a number of types of powers of attorney. We have medical powers of attorney, we have general powers of attorney, we have special powers of attorney, and we also have other types of powers of attorneys which I'm going to explain to you. So let's go into the types of powers of attorney. Number one, we have general powers of attorney. As an ordinary person, you can be able to trust your attorney. Your attorney, by the way, is your lawyer. So a general power of attorney is basically you are signing this document, which is a powers of attorney. You are giving your lawyer all exclusive rights over your estate, meaning your financial situation, your financial credit, because in Uganda, we are also moving towards a credit kind of system, just like developed countries. So your lawyer is going to do as you would have done because you are giving them exclusive rights to take over your estate. They will be able to manage your finances, be able to manage your estate, rentals, wherever you have it, or whatever kind of business you have in terms of assets, and also to balance your liabilities. So they are basically an overseer. They are acting as your agent or as your manager. We also have what's called special powers of attorney. Special powers of attorney are you are signing these powers of attorney off to your lawyer. Special powers of attorney come in this way. Like you see the entire document of the powers of attorney, you can fashion it to the way that you want it to be. For example, I've just explained to you general powers of attorney. There are also special powers of attorney. Special powers of attorney, you are signing special rights to your lawyer or your manager or your agent. In other words, you are giving them a special condition that they should fulfill. For example, if you feel like you're mentally incapable of managing your estate or a will or something of the sort, then you are going to be able to sign off a special kind of role that you want your lawyer to give you. For example, you could want them to govern your estate. You could want them to distribute your will, or you could tell them that if in the eventuality that then powers of attorney are going to shift to my lawyer, who is Terry Kahuma, or who is so and so. So special powers of attorney are more like conditional powers of attorney, but they are only for special circumstances and only special roles that you want to assign your lawyer to do. By the way, the law governing